How to quick brush in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the quick brush tool in CapCut to remove specific parts of the video. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And here once you have opened it, simply tap on the new project. And after that, choose the image that you want to use as your background. For this video, I'll select this photo, but you can feel free to pick any image that you like. And once selected, you can just tap on add. Now let's add another photo as an overlay. So tap the overlay icon and then tap add overlay. And after that, choose the photo that you want to use. For this, I will select this one and tap on add again. You can resize, reposition the photo overlay however you like. And now to remove the background from the overlay, scroll along the bottom menu until you see the option labeled as remove background or remove BG. Just tap on it and you will see several options like auto, custom and chroma key. From there, simply tap on custom removal, and once you do that, this is where you will find the quick brush. So adjust the brush size to fit to your needs and then carefully highlight the area of the photo that you want to keep. And here once you are happy with the selection, you can just tap on export, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And there you go. That's how you can use CapCut quick brush feature to manually remove backgrounds from the video or photos overlay. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.